Hello YouTube, I'm sick and I'm bored and I'm standing in my kitchen. I decided to get myself some free ringtones. Free ringtones, you ask? Yes, I come from a Scottish heritage, therefore I am very frugal, therefore I choose not to pay for ringtones. So I'm going to show you guys what I go through to get free ringtones. Just a little bit. Le YouTube video, le speakers, le Kleenex cause I'm sick, le phone. So yeah, I have these high-def speakers and an awesome YouTube video that I want as my ringtone. I have this piece of shit phone, the LG Rumor, and on this phone you can take a voice memo and then put it as your ringtone. I'm pretty sure you can do that on just about any phone, but I don't know. Which more I was going to say, I can't remember. So I'm going to show you guys what I did. It's funny. Okay, so I'm going to demonstrate my ringtone. Trying to remember my own phone number, this is not good. Just give it a minute, let me timer. It's the gopher! I don't know why that's so amusing to me, but it is.